All right, guys, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, and welcome to this huge announcement for every single TRONCHAIN member in our community. Guys, we have just today launched the UME farming inside your TRONCHAIN dashboard. That means we have connected a contract. We're now allowing every single community member, our 400 and close to 50,000 members, to farm the proprietary DeFi governance token of the USWAP DEX exchange, also from the EclipCity team. Guys, congratulations to each and every one. This is a massive milestone, and I'm just now going to easily and quickly show you how this all works. So when you log into your TRONCHAIN account, you will see a new section just below personal statistics called UME farming. Now, if you haven't been on there yet, it will not show you any numbers. It will just show you a farming pool share and that you can start farming. A button, this button where it says claim, will say start farming. Now, all you need to do in order to start enjoy free farming of the UME token, you just need to click on start farming, confirm it in your wallet, and that's it. You're now farming, and the farming speed will be based upon your previous deposit. As you can see, I have deposited 15,000 TRX. That is the amount I deposited. That is also the amount that I will be farming from. Now, my farming speed is now 0.023 UME every 24 hours. I have a pool share of 0.0023 and a pending claim of 0.0002. I just actually claimed before this. Now, any one of you in TRONCHAIN that has an active account can claim or start farming and claim that UME at any time that you wish. Now, what can you do with UME? Well, it's a proprietary DeFi token of the USWAP DEX exchange. And guys, let me just show you what UME is as of now. One UME is traded at 4,219 Tron. That equals, if you want to check USDT, to $128.8. We've been on the market for 3 weeks only, and we have seen a steady, stable growth. Now we are finally being able to offer this to every single community member in TRONCHAIN for free. It is based upon your previous deposit and support to the TRONCHAIN Community Fund. Congratulations. How amazing isn't this? Guys, if you want to learn more about UME, if you want to learn more about USWAP, of course, you can utilize your UME that you're claiming and earning from your TRONCHAIN on UME Finance, which is the official farming site for the UME token. Here you can see already more than 383 million Tron being staked, and the UME can be put directly into a UME pool. Now you can compound and you can start claiming UME on the UME Finance site as well as in your TRONCHAIN back office. Guys, make sure you take advantage of this, compound your UME earnings. You can do whatever you want with them. If you want to sell them, do that. But if you want to hold on to them, I can assure you that that is the right choice. UME will have a massive, massive value going ahead as the proprietary token to the exchange USWAP. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you will be enjoying the UME farming that we have been given to all of you for free. Let's start digging. I can tell you that. All right, guys. If there are any questions, just let us know in the group. If not, stay enjoyed, stay happy, keep getting those TRX, and keep farming those UME, my friends. All right, take care.